Hello everyone, if you're getting low FPS in where winds meet, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix lag or low FPS in where winds meet on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here graphics, you're going to go into graphics settings then, and here what you're going to do is you're going to click onto add desktop app, and now you're going to go to where winds meets directory. So I don't have where winds meet installed, so I'm going to use Counter-Strike as an example. Click add on here and then scroll down until you find where winds meet here. Click on this. Make sure it is set to high performance here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up your games platform. You're going to right click on where winds meet. Click properties. Go into launch options. And here you're going to write -dx12. So just write -dx12. And then now you can go ahead and play where winds meet, and then you'll see that your performance will have been improved. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.